Hi everyone, welcome. My new video is here and this is a gardening video. In this video you will get ideas about how you can make your lawn edgings or your garden edgings. These ideas will help you to keep your plantings tidy. By creating well-defined lawn edges, it can enhance your garden's appearance and provide a clear boundary for your garden. Hope you will like these lawn edging ideas for your house. I'm sure this video will be very helpful for all the gardening lovers. Do share your reviews in the comment section.